Namaste. I am Sushmita and you are watching Iti Si Baat. Failures. I am not a very successful person today to talk about failures to you. So I don't have any tips or tricks today. I am just going to share my experience with you. I experienced my first failure when I was in CA final. Yes, I had failed many times before that, but it was covered up with some success later. But after CA final failure, there were a link of failures in my life, which in my perspective were failures maybe, but I did not take it as a stepping stone to success. When did I realize all this? I realized this last month, recently. I would like to share that experience with you. We had a group meeting in which we had highly qualified individuals, like they had double MAs, doctorates, there were lecturers, professors, CAs, engineers, artists, musicians, so many people were there. And self-introduction session was going on, and when my turn came, I was like sweating because I did not have that many degrees to talk about. So I said that I'm Sushmita, I'm just a housewife. I did my CA, I failed. I took up CS, I failed. I don't know if I deserve to be in this group, but I learned many things from you. This is what I said in my self-introduction session. So what did I just do? I made fun of myself. After the meeting, 2 to 3 members in the group, they sent me personal messages saying that please don't think like that. You are deserving enough and that is why you are there in this group. But then I thought that, oh God, I just gave my introduction like I'm dead. But I'm alive now. So I have to work on it. I just sat down and thought, which page in my life am I stuck at? And it took me 10 years back. And it was that page of CA final where I failed. Did that mean I was good for nothing? I don't know, I took it in that way. That is the mistake I made. Even in the self-introduction part, I would have said I am Sushmita, I am a BCom graduate, accounting technician, I am a mother of 2 beautiful children, and I am aspiring to learn a lot from this group. It would have made a better impression on others about me. But what did I do? So that itself made me think twice, and I did not want to do that mistake again. So if you are stuck at that page in your life, just have the courage to turn the page. Because I decided to turn the page last month after this meeting, and when I did it, I transformed from a thinker to a doer, and that transformation has given me so much of energy and self-motivation, which has brought me here in front of you, in front of this camera, and today I am sharing this experience with you because it helped me a lot. Many people say failures are stepping stones to success, but they never say how many stones would be there. So you have to make friends with failures. So next time when failure comes to you, think about these 3 A's. First A is accept the failure. Second is acknowledge it. Think that failure was yours, take its responsibility. Third one, act upon it. Accept, acknowledge and act. This will help you to overcome each and every situation in your life because you cannot avoid failures. So just move on in life, turn that page and complete the book proudly so that one day when you want to finish the book and close it, which means the day when you die, you will be satisfied that you did something for yourself and others as well. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Stay happy, healthy and safe until we meet next time. Bye-bye.